So you spend thousands of dollars on a nice table saw, like this SawStop table saw, and they send you this cheap miter gauge for doing cross cuts and angle cuts. And, you know, it works okay, but it doesn't have a longer fence, and sure, you can bolt a board to it, but they just don't work that great, and I don't like this tool. So I upgraded to a precision miter gauge. It's a fairly inexpensive one compared to some of the other ones out there, but I gotta tell you, I'm really impressed with the quality of this thing. It has 4 contact points that you can adjust, so there's absolutely no play in this. You can also adjust the side to side. It comes with an Allen wrench. You just give it a quarter turn on each of these Allen wrenches, and you can adjust the fence left or right so you can move it to either side of the table. It has a heavy-duty copper adjustment knob and positive stops at every 5 degrees, which makes it very easy to set it from 0 to 30 to 45, and you just lock it in place and it's ready to go. It moves very smoothly, and again, very accurate, and it doesn't seem to wiggle at all. I've done a bunch of test cuts on this, and it is spot on, just out of the box. But you can adjust it. There are 4 screws here, and so if you need to adjust the accuracy of it, you can, and you can dial it right in. It seems to be a very precision quality tool. The couple things I didn't like about it is it only gives you the option of millimeters on the top. Really not a big deal, I guess, in my case, because I don't really use these on the top too much. I usually measure my board anyways and cut on that measurement. So really not a big deal there. And then the instructions, while I was able to put this together, the instructions were a little bit hard to follow, but I was able to do it and assemble this in about 20 minutes. So really not that big a deal. What I like about this is it has the long fence on here, so you can really support a longer cut where that shorter miter gauge is hard to do sometimes. So you can just hold that against the fence, and it slides very easily right through the cut. If you need to change the angle, it's very quick and easy to change it to whatever degree you want. It has positive stops every 5 degrees, and you just lock it in place. And again, it just nice and smooth right through the cut. You get a nice cut right there. Now, having a adjustable positive stop makes it easy to do repeatable cuts. That's a really nice feature on this. And so I do a lot of picture frames, and I had a jig that I built for doing picture frames, but it's big and it's bulky, and this is going to be very easy to do repeatable cuts. And so, like on this, if I want to do a small square picture frame, I can set it to whatever length I want, flip that down, set my depth, measure it, and I've already cut one angle there. I can do my cut. And I can just keep going and making more additional cuts just by flipping it over, going right to that stop. And just like that, you have 4 pieces with perfect 45-degree miters.